Exercise number 8. Make a simple countdown application that takes input from users in seconds. Shows countdown time format in minutes and seconds. Stops with a message when countdown is completed. Hi, let's start building a very simple Python application to perform countdown function. I have imported sleep function from built-in time module. It would help us create the delay of 1 second for our timer. Before I write the main code, I would like to make you familiar with divmod function. It actually calculates the quotient and remainder when you divide two numbers. We have x and y variable which denotes quotient and remainder of 8 divided by 2 respectively. Quotient is 4 while remainder is 0. Since we shall use time in seconds, so I will divide the countdown time with 60 to find minutes and seconds. If our countdown value is 10, then it would result in 0 minutes and 10 seconds. Similarly for 20 seconds, it will be 0 minutes and 20 seconds. It would be a minutes if we provide 60 seconds as countdown value. Now move on with the main part of our code. Get the countdown number in seconds using input command. As you know, input received from user will be in string format, so we got to convert it to integer. Next, use a while loop for the value of seconds. The loop will keep on running until the time in seconds becomes 0. As explained earlier, the divmod command is used to find the value of minutes and seconds from the given input from the user. Time format will be in minutes and seconds with a colon between them. I have used fstring method to show value for minutes and seconds with colon mark in between. Use print command to print time format. Here, important to note that I have used an escape character, R. It will ensure that cursor is moved to initial position so that countdown number is replaced by new number without printing all the numbers. The end command will ensure that all numbers are on the same line. You can check exercise on print function to know more about it. Sleep command will ensure a delay of 1 second. This part of code will make the countdown number decrease by 1 until reaches to 0. This is when the loop will end. When the loop ends, the print command will print warning message to the user about ending of countdown. That's it. Let's run the program. Enter 10 seconds as countdown number. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.